Can the two finalist teams in the national construction competition please go to their construction areas? Can the audience begin clapping when the presenter arrives on stage?
Thank you. Welcome to the National Construction Competition. We've been watching teams compete across Britain, from Fort William to Penzance. Tonight we are live in London, and in just 1 hour from now we will have this year's winners. Let's meet the teams. We'll start with our reigning champions. Welcome, how are you feeling?
We are thrilled to be here again and look forward to winning the title for the 10th year in a row.
That is when the competition started.
You sound quite sure. It might not happen this year. Right, let's meet the challengers. Welcome, challengers. How are you feeling?
We are really excited to be here.
What do you think your chances of winning are?
We'll feel like winners if we can do just one thing.
What's that?
Say hi to everyone at home.
Well, it seems like we already have some winners. Let's get started then. Our competitors will have two challenges. They will have to construct a shape identical to the one I showed them. They will also have to answer a question on useful number combinations in construction. Contestants, audience, I will now reveal the shape. You have all the equipment needed and a bit extra. You have 5 minutes to complete the task. Contestants, begin now.
We've never done anything this hard before.
We are undefeated. Look at them. We will win.
Not if we stand here all night.
Of course! I don't really understand what you're saying. What's 3 squared? 9, right? And what's 4 squared? 16, right? So what's 9 plus 16? I get it. 9 plus 16 is 25, and 25 is the same as 5 squared. It's Pythagoras Theorem.
Contestants have 30 seconds remaining. I shall now judge the accuracy of the shapes. I will use this right angle to assist me. The champions have failed the first task. I will now judge the challengers. The challengers have passed the first task. We will now have a short commercial break. Will the champions be able to recover from this incredible setback?
There will be a 3-minute commercial break.
Cheats! They cheated! No one could have built that shape. It's impossible. We're the champions and we couldn't even do it.
It's a fix! But it would have had to be an inside job.
There was obviously no cheating here.
No, none at all. I just remember Pythagoras Theorem from school. You square the side lengths of the 2 shorter sides of a right-angled triangle and then add them together. Your answer is then equal to the hypotenuse squared. We just realised that 3 squared add 4 squared equals 5 squared.
We did that. This is sabotage. We did 4 plus 6, that equals 10, and we're not declared winners.
You forgot to square the side lengths. 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36. If you add them together, you get 52.
30 seconds until we are live.
Welcome back to all of you watching at home. The temperature in the studio is rising as our contestants prepare for the quickfire round. Contestants, don't forget to raise your hand if you know the answer. The first correct answer wins the point. Complete the following sequence in Pythagoras triples. 6, 8, blank.
14.
That's incorrect. I'm going to have to pass the question over to the challengers.
10. 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64. 36 add 64 is 100, which is the same as 10 squared.
That's correct. For the last point, complete the following sequence in Pythagoras triples. 7, blank, 25.
18, it has to be 18. 25 minus 7.
You didn't raise your hand. I'm afraid I'm going to have to disqualify you. I'm going to have to pass the question over to the challengers.
24.
Wrong!
No, 25 squared is 625. 7 squared is 49. 625 take away 49 is 576, which is the same as 24 squared.
That's correct. After 10 years, the champions have been defeated. We now have new champions.
Sabotage!
We will sue! This is not the end!
I'm sorry at everyone at home for witnessing that outburst. We've never seen anything like it before. Let's talk to our new champions before the news at 10. So, why do you think you're so successful?
Remembering to square when using Pythagoras Theorem was really important. The theorem only works for right-angled triangles, and you need to square the side lengths.
Staying focused and not getting distracted was really important.
And enjoying the competition and not getting obsessed with winning.
A real recipe for success then. Thank you for tuning in this year, and we hope you'll be able to join us next year.